I understand, say, yeah, Alkaline do a thing back then, and everybody look on and say, yo, oh, you know, if Alkaline could have run with this, then, you know, the other man can run with it and whatever. But the thing about Alkaline is, from day one, Alkaline was who he was.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, you don't know Media Fox, you know. So I see that brother forward. I didn't talk about Alkaline and the Masicka thing with the falling out. You see me, Masicka falling out with the Gaza thing, and you see me, the strength them usually get, and you know, all of that cut, you know. So, you know, I guess he must say, yo, if Masicka they have patient, him could have, you know, do it in a more smarter way if he want to separate himself. Yeah, but here we must say people.
Be honest with me. I know some feel like saying Masicka actually 13 career by going against the teacher. Like literally, if you say 13 career by going against the teacher. I remember said this, right? Masicka is a great artist, very, very good artist. Like one of the greatest in a film generation, right? One of the greatest. You understand? But I feel like saying go against the teacher prematurely. I feel like his feud with the teacher was forced. It never feel natural. Like, you know, when something happened and you know, say, alright, it's justified. Because even
people, let me tell you, with that Masicka thing, you know, with the falling out with the Gaza thing, let me tell you. And remember, say, you don't know the vendetta thing, so me I go share my facts or my opinion. See? Alright. You see that little falling out here? It did a lot of thing did a hide. Like man did just a move like a snake and them little thing. Cause look, you know, remember when Masicka did him first, I think a nightly fix. See? And now Masicka say, yo, if Gaza did call him wouldn't go. If Alliance did call him wouldn't go. Because him say why him wouldn't go is because him not deal with for them programming, beating artists and all of them thing there. You see me? So that my problem is that if him say all of that from the get-go, right? That means say him now go do no bag of link up or time. Remember, you know, him say Gaza genocide. So back then him say, yo, him wouldn't link with them. But forwarding after that now, him and them a link. So me I say, that is a hypocrite move. Because from the get-go, if you say you're not link with them people, yeah, why after a sudden now you are tired your name and say the Gaza and genocide thing? Yeah, man, fall out and some little two thing go on now. To, I don't know what I'm like, you change it to one side because a genocide is usually name. But you usually say Gaza genocide, you kind of you want to change it over again. So from this, I know me I say, that one Masicka, you're not easy, you know. Oh, your name genocide, and then after you change it to one side. So from this people, me I preach say, yo, it look like you know to have no tie to him name. Cause him could have keep the genocide, you know. But for sure yo, him name on one side now, him change it to one side. You understand? So from this I made a preach say, yo, that brother you have to watch out because from the get-go, if you say, yo, you're not deal with the Gaza and the Alliance thing because them the group they beat artists and you know depend that. You understand? Then when you look now, you tie your name to the brand. You and Bounty good now, and you and Cartel did good. So that's why I say, yo, that was my take on the situation. I say, yo, Masicka move like a snake, dog. Cause you see from the get-go, if he never did say that, from the get-go say him not link with them people, yeah, then me could understand. But if you say you're not going to do it and then link with them and then separate yourself, you move a hypocrite way. You see me? And that's just my take on the situation. You see it?
sing about it, like what could have sparked the thing between him and the teacher, and it never really feel genuine. It just feel like it was a decision by him to just say, alright, if you go against the teacher right now. You understand what I say? And at the end of the day, it kind of come off like him a snake because he always feel the teacher and he with him. You understand? No, let me say this.
Alright, these are the problem, people. Because remember in the system song, right? Remember, nobody never know about the thing we go on at the show, you know. Seeing the thing we go on at the show when him go with Cartel. I think Atlanta, when him call out them this Stone Boy and all of them little thing there. You see me? So Masicka been a pre from a long time. And not because of the clash. Him a pre certain situation from a long time, bro. You see me? I remember saying enough of them a fall out and a bag of thing. A long time a pre something. You see it? Long time a pre something. But I know say some people in him ears. You see it at the same time, but him come talk something when nobody never knows. So that means him a pre Cartel at that time. You see me?
Nothing is wrong with somebody breaking away from somebody. You understand? Nothing is wrong with that. You see me? But there's a way how you go about that. You understand? Him could have still shine. If him not worry about kingship on his left, he could have still shine while healing the teacher same way. As a matter of fact, he never heal the teacher and say nothing about his correct beliefs, right? Just roll same way and do one thing same way. He still would have keep his aura and he still would have keep up his momentum and everything. When he go against the teacher in a force and contrived kind of way, he not seem genuine at all. Like literally. No, me understand again. Alkaline do a thing back then and everybody look on and say, yo, oh, you know, if Alkaline could have run with this, then, you know, the other man can run with it and whatever. But the thing about Alkaline is, from day one, Alkaline was who he was. You understand?
I don't know what you mean by what Alkaline doing, brother. Alkaline never done nothing, fam. You understand? Them did a try force Alkaline to say a thing. You understand? The way how the system did set it. Alkaline not do nothing. Alkaline say, me respect every artist. Them do want Alkaline for respect Vice Cartel, especially that them did want. You understand? Because man ask man how man feel about man. So Alkaline say, brother, I'm not feeling no way about nobody. You see me? That's the problem. You see me? But Alkaline just do him things same way. Alkaline not do nothing. Alkaline say him respect every artist. Him say Cartel is a great artist. Man just say, yo, what no want the man for say? Is it? What no want the man for say? And then Winford say, yo, if Alkaline thinks say, yo, he's no not specialty or he's just like a regular artist and all them little thing there. So it's like them try to set up the youth. At that them do, you know, the question with them ask, set up the youth. Is what I try to say, because yo, that was a whole madness, man. I tell you people. So Alkaline never do none. He never do nothing, brother. You see him never diss Vice Cartel. The man say respect every artist. I guess at that time everybody did have Cartel have this highly and mighty like a god. So them feel like say him forget as more special ratings than the other rest of artists in a dancehall. And true, Alkaline never did it that way. That caused all of the problem. You see me? Because majority of them did bow down to Cartel. So them have to forward out and say, yo, I want to tell my father that, yo, this, that, Ray. It's different with Alkaline. Alkaline does a damn thing. My Billy Moon herself. He never look for no strength from nobody. I call up no man name and all of them little things. You see me?
From day one, Alkaline never claimed to have no master. You get what I say? Insane influence by everybody. You understand? We generalize the thing. And even go as far as to say, Vibes Cartel is a great artist. He never start nothing until, you know, because of fans start going to him and with it. You understand? He never come out and start this is teacher. You understand? Now when teacher start this, you know, you start, you know, roll out and with it. Now everybody could understand a little build up, right? So, but this have no build up. Like everybody know you as, you know.
Yeah, man. What Masicka do? Yeah, man. I never rate that. You see me? Remember say my side and not them the side, you know. But when me talk facts, I got to speak it fair because it was so close. Like the man them do the show like the show in Atlanta like about 4 months. Yeah, about 4 or 5 months, so yeah, 6 months. And yeah, the man them did that flex, the man them did good. You see me? But if you see the Clash song drop now and him for sure you him start call out all of the people them where Cartel and them not link. Him say Masicka rhyme, him say Gaza Kim. You understand? Remember, you know, the Cartel and them people, you know, good. So that song they know when them call him out and think that means say, yo, you see a thing and you see a situation we go on and you not rate a man. Cause if me not rate a man, bro, me nah go par around him. You understand? Me nah go there on if me not rate a youth. You see me, I stay far or all if him a shout me, I say, yo, I'm good man, me I go on easy back. You see me? So you for him there on the man and see all of them little things. Remember man say him nah go around him car. Him say yo the guys that thing a be a beat them beat artist pan fix, you know. Then now you're there on the man them. Then now whatever happened with Stone Boy at Atlanta. You see me? Him comes forward in the song, the system song, and everybody know what go on now. Then him say, yo, see Masicka rhyme, they go listen him. You see me? Coming by man say man sing Gaza now, you know. This was the man where Cartel call up on stage and link up and give rum and all of them little thing there. Better from the get-go, you never link up back with the man then. Use some style. Yo, me busy, you know, me I deal with this. Better you did do that. Because if you don't rate a man, bro, it don't make no sense, dog. So I just that me I say people.
Party of the teacher, right? Everybody knows you as somebody who salutes the teacher as being a great influence on your career. You understand? And when you come out and just, you know, just branch after. You seem very forced and you know, seem genuine now, like you have a real reason to go against the teacher. You understand? You seem like you have a genuine reason. Like Alkaline would have a reason to go against the teacher. You get me? I say, come off and weird. And I'm not against Masicka, and Masicka is a very good artist, as we said. But the way I'm choose to do things, like literally, 13 career, to be honest, because that's
Let me tell you now. You see me? What maybe with the Masicka thing there so too. You see, Masicka want the fans like Alkaline. He want him name call like Alkaline, like yo. Cause remember them talk about the two biggest fan base in the dancehall, Vendes and Gaza. He want them on that level there too. You understand? So he must say, yo, if you fall out, yeah, that go on. But I know so it work because over the years, at the same artist fans them a prep you up. It's not like Alkaline from the get-go when him never have much fans like that when him just start out. Over the years now, Alkaline build him own fans without lining himself with the Gaza thing or a big up the Gaza thing. You understand? Him build him own fans. But Masicka now, him never really gain much fans like that until when him start do the collaboration, them and the Gaza give him the strength, then the Gaza people him start give him the strength. You see me? That is a difference. Him never build nothing like how Alkaline build it from scratch. So that's why now it a go kind of sticky on him right now because the energy we usually get from them. Yeah, cause remember them they are like use Masicka if you go against Alkaline at the same. You see me? Them a try to push him up and but Cartel forward out you know. And you know the back and forth thing with Alkaline and Cartel based on fans and all of them thing there. Masicka not in the equation because them a say yo, him under the Gaza, but him want feel himself, him want still have him own brand, him no want feel like say yo that brand is aligned to that thing and that him never want. That's why you see him change him name from the get go to one side. Because him say yo him want be him own a boss and all of them look a thing there. Which from the get go him say yo him not link with them money which him end up come link with them money, you see me? So yeah.
still having your own views and still doing things. Remember, no, there's a law in the 40 laws, of course, never outshine the master, right? If you claim that somebody is your influence, always hear them as an influence, but you want to do your thing. You understand? You want to do your thing. You understand what I say? Just go and do your thing. You understand? When you do this something, you know, you go see like a snake out there, and you don't go come off one kind of way for your bad man.
People, you know that influence thing I rate? Because them feel like say one person can inspire one person. And that them feel, you know. You see me? That them feel. And them attire one man to a whole genre, bro. Like say other artists never did it. Who bring the melody thing in a dance? Movado. So nobody now credit Movado. I don't understand this. See, and a lot of more artists out there where forward and do something and where maybe people that look up to. But them want set it for say yo a one man everybody look up to a one man favor this, which we know how artists stay, we know how people stay. People will say things, all if another person do it, people will say things, forget the hype and the easy runs alright. All if this a man you know him artist, he might forward and say it and say, yo, we can say this, you know. Can make some I get his strength. It's easier for you know, that way and all of them little thing for go through the gate and you see me? At that. Sometimes some of them lazy and can't do things by themselves. That's why you see Alkaline up on a different level. Because the youth never think for them way if he go align himself into nobody brand or you know, or nobody camp. Him do him own thing and that's why them never rate him. Because them they expect him to forward and say, yo, this me say no, that me say no. Because the majority of them do that, align themselves to the camp there. You understand? Which we know some of them might be real and some of them just might be fake. Them just want the hype and them just want to do it so everybody can easily acknowledge them. You see me? Yeah.
Like literally. Because if you don't realize, you know, a lot of film supporters in the world, Gaza supporters, you know, to be honest, you know, and be honest with you, a lot of Masicka supporters, world Gaza supporters. You get me? I think the man could have leveraged the thing, like, man, even have leveraged the thing for years, you know, he could have still leveraged the thing because he have some ways to go. You understand? The man could have still grit, right? Grit that make it be highly debatable for people wonder say, oh, whenever him or teacher, at the base, I wonder if he take over teacher or whatever.
Brother, let me tell you one thing. You see once you align your name to this, brother, it align for life. Better you never do it from the get-go. Since so it no matter what Masicka do, them are gonna say a cartel give him the strength. You understand? And the Gaza people, them it no matter what him do. So all if him play smart and do it in a way where nobody no recognize it, cartel are gonna still be a part of him journey. We give him that strength there for push him out there. So it no matter what happen. So if him did a pre say, yo, me I gotta do my own thing and branch off and rain, it better he just do that from the get go and link with nobody. You understand? Yeah.
You was forced to thing right now. See my way. Me not grown in see my way. I mean understand your teacher about now. And you can't really do him because teacher got outshine and say you have to do your own thing. But you could have done your own thing. Remember say you were always a one way kind of person. You always did it by yourself. You could have done your own thing. You get what I say? I don't think nobody that gonna look by you and say, oh, you know, teacher outshine you or whatever.
Yes, them not gonna say that. Them will say that with Alkaline, but them not gonna say that once you align with the Gaza thing. Them not gonna say no outshine. You see me? First of all, them not gonna see you. Them gonna see cartel. You see me? But when you're not too in the cartel thing, at them time that them gonna see you. You see me? Say if him stay over there, yeah, them would make him do him thing and cartel forward in a road. Them not gonna pay a Masicka no mind like that. Remember cartel the road now and then can see him and all of them look at thing there. So them are gonna mostly give that energy there to cartel. You see me? You realize some of the guys are artists, them like them not give them the strength right now. I just cartel. You see it? Everything a cartel do them a go highlight that, but them not highlight enough of the Gaza people them. You see me? I just saw the thing set, like, come on. Cause these are the thing in the people. It's like this, if you ever work for somebody, you only gonna make the person get richer. You see me? If you're under a roof, how you go grow? Especially if the roof under your one. I saw the thing said, so once you align yourself to the Gaza thing, you're not gonna grow like that. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you only are gonna grow whatever thing you be a part of. So if you're part of a group, which if you're part of a company, you only are gonna make the company grow. You not gonna really grow like how the company grow. You see me? You represent the company, not you not represent yourself. So that's how with the Gaza thing or any other camp or any other brand. So if you want develop your own company or whatever you deal with, you did have to build your thing from the scratch without no other entities. That's the only way. You understand? That's the only way. You see, I use a mandatory statement based on as a job if you work. So if you work for the government or you work for Amazon or Walmart, you only make Walmart get richer. You see me? A Walmart I go gain. You see me? You represent Walmart not represent you. You see me? Say if Walmart say, look, I'm going to go there so go sell a few things. What got dip on your shirt? Walmart. You see me? You just an employee. So I see him with the little Gaza thing. So if you really want to build and branch off already, from the get-go, you should have do that. You see me? Once you go say Gaza genocide, I just start it a gay strength, bigger artists, you see me, bigger fan base. You see me, once you feel like so you got change your name. You change your name, you still get the strength. You have to just stay the stuff in life, brother. You see me, people are gonna always say, a cartel give me strength. Which a cartel give him strength? See him here. You see me? Yeah, the Gaza people, them that prepare up on them thing there. So at the end of the day, bro, Masicka do what him for do. You see me? If him done gone far already, what him should I do? I just focus. You see me? If you have clash, first of all, that's what I tell you, so that system song there, wrong move. Because if you did one gain after that, right? You should have just write off Tamili, then you would get the more respect. You never did that for those systems song and I call out this and that and way. That no make no sense. Because you see him end up run from the clash. Once you run, it's like in a boxing room when you run from the ring, brother. You're gonna lose, you're disqualified. People are say, yo, you're afraid. So that way him just run gone out of the clash, gone drop EP and every little thing, brother. The only people are just say, yo, Jaja. I just eat the way him should have do, him should have just kill Tommy Lee. You see me? Him should have just continue and try if he do something with Tommy Lee. And then once you do that, brother, what you mean? Man say, yo, man, defend anything, but you not defend your brand, brother. You run. You see me? Yeah.
Sometimes in your own lane and it works. Would I show say, yeah, outshine if you're outshine. You understand? But this is just my opinion.
Yes, people, so I just one of them thing there, man. Masicka do him thing, cartel do him thing, you see me? As me say, Masicka should have just don't run from the clash and just kill Tommy Lee and take the tune and make people say, yo, him do it still, you know. Yeah, man, him do it still. But you run, brother, and you do what you have to do, brother. That kind of, you see me? That people not gonna forget about that, bro. You see it? So one of them thing, them choose him destiny, you see it? But a good artist same way. Yeah, man, a good artist same way. But people, big up on yourself, you know, don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, you know things said, that is it.